Hello everyone and welcome to Eco Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw a hat. For hat drawing, first draw a curve. This is the crown part of the hat. This part is called the crown part of the hat. Draw a flower at the front of the crown. Draw a circle inside it. Then draw a curve from the flower pits and it meets the other end of the crown. It is called the brim of the hat. Then draw a hat band at the end of the crown. Now we will paint the hat. First we paint the flower. Give it red color. Give the circle yellow color. We paint the headband red. Color the crown and brim brown. And a space on the top of your drawing. And let's start by writing the letter S. A T. Thanks for following along Eco Drawing channel. Click on our next video to make another fun videos and be sure to subscribe to see all of our new videos that we have coming up. Thanks and see you again soon.